In this video, I'm going to show you how to create backups in Cpanel on Namecheap, step by step, so you can protect your website files and database before making big changes, updating plugins, or troubleshooting anything on your site. Backups are one of the most important things you can do for your website, because if something goes wrong, you want a safe copy you can restore quickly. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple website tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the hosting list option. This is where all of your hosting plans are shown in one place. Go ahead and click on hosting list and then find the hosting plan that you want to back up. If you have more than one website or hosting package, double check that you're selecting the correct one, because you want to make sure the backup is created for the right account. Next, on the hosting plan you want to manage, click Go to Cpanel. This will open the control panel for that hosting account. Cpanel is where you can manage files, databases, email settings, backups, and a lot more. Once Cpanel loads, look for the Backup or Backup Wizard tool. Depending on your hosting setup, you may see one or both of these options. If you see Backup Wizard, that can be a simpler guided option, but the standard backup tool also works great. Now choose the type of backup you want to create. You'll usually have the option for full backup or partial backup. A full backup is the best choice if you want a complete copy of your account, including your website files, databases, email accounts, and settings. A partial backup is useful if you only want specific parts, such as the home directory, databases, or email forwarders. If you're not sure which one to use, a full backup is usually the safest choice for a complete restore later. After that, choose the backup destination as home directory. This is important because it saves the backup file in your hosting account's file storage area, which you can then download later. Then, if you want to be notified when the backup is finished, enter an email address in the notification field. This is helpful if the backup takes a while and you don't want to keep checking the page. Once everything is set, click Generate Backup. Cpanel will now start creating your backup file. Depending on the size of your website, this may take a few minutes or even longer, so be patient and don't refresh too quickly. If your site has a lot of files or large databases, the backup process can take more time, which is completely normal. When the backup process is complete, go back to the backup area and download the backup file. You should see the backup file listed in your home directory or in the Available Backups section. Click the file and save it to your computer or another secure storage location. I also recommend keeping a copy in more than one place, such as your local drive and a cloud backup, so you have extra protection. And that's it. You've now created a backup in Cpanel on Namecheap and downloaded your backup file for safekeeping. This is a simple but powerful habit that can save you a lot of stress later if your website ever runs into problems. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more hosting and website tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.